G'day. So continuing our series on building website personalization in Sitecore XM Cloud, today we're going to look at personalization based on geolocation. So if we go to the XM Cloud documentation and look up creating an audience using our different conditions, we have geolocation. That's what we're going to look at today. So we can target geolocation based on two different references, either region or country. So let's jump into XM Cloud and jump into our demo website. And we're going to create a personalization based on visitors to this site from Australia. So if we go to personalize and look at our page variants for the homepage, we don't have any at the moment. So let's create a variant and we'll call it Australia. Now we need to build our audience and we're going to add the condition of country. So there's two geolocation-based conditions, region, just to show you what this looks like. If the visitor is in any of these regions, Australia falls into Oceania, but we're not going to use that one today. We're going to use country. And Australia is here in the list. Save that. And our audience of Australian visitors is created. So the page variant is now here for us to play with, and we're going to find the component that we want to customize for an Australian audience. And it's this hero image. Now, XM Cloud gives us a warning that we're editing the default item here, but we actually want to select the component. So we've now selected the image component, and we're going to select the data source for this component, which we've created already and called it Australia. We'll assign that, and this is an image of an Australian skateboarder. Now within this component, it's got an image already added. We can change this very easily by uploading a new image to replace that, to update the component, but that's exactly what we want at this point. Let's just preview that to see if it looks like what we want. And we can see our website now has a very Australian feel. And let's publish this item. Okay, the homepage has been published. So now when we light up our site, we should expect to see this Australian image for visitors from Australia. Yeah, we're going to open our website here. And given we are a visitor from Australia, or based in Australia, we're seeing our Australian image of a skateboarder. So that's working exactly correct. And just to show you that it does work, let's change this audience geolocation condition to a country that we're not in. And then we'd expect to no longer see the customized content. So let's change it to visitors from Afghanistan, which we are not. Save that audience. And now let's publish the site again. Okay, that site has finished publishing. So remember that this is the default content. And this is what the content that visitors from Afghanistan should see. Let's close our sites, go to our deploy app, and let's open up again. And now we're correctly seeing the default content. We're not in Afghanistan. So that's how you do website personalization in Sitecore XM Cloud using geolocation.